Algebra OST Spring 2024 release test items number 10. It says Jarrell keeps track of the number of customers that come to his bakery each day for 1 month. A summary of the data is shown. And it says which box plot represents the data. Okay, so this is a box plot question. So before we get to looking, let's talk about how we create a box plot. So a box plot starts with a number line. Okay, and then for a box plot, what you have is you have a 5-number summary. So 5 numbers. Okay, so you start with the smallest number, which they call the minimum. Okay, then you go and you stop at a point and you start creating a box. I'm going to create this box. And then you leave the box and you end at your maximum. So there's 2 of the 5 numbers, the minimum and the maximum. So we'll need the minimum and the maximum. Then in the box, the start of the box is what we call the first quartile. The end of the box is what we call the third quartile. So we'll need the first quartile and the third quartile. And then somewhere in the box, there is a line, and that line represents the median. That could actually be called the second quartile if you want to, but it's the median. So we don't need the mode, we don't need the mean. We just need these numbers. Okay, so what I'm looking for is I'm looking for the box plot that has these 5 numbers plotted. So it should be 32, and then 51, and then 77.5, and then 89, and then 103. So I'm looking for the box plot that looks like it has those numbers. So let me see if I can scoot down and save that writing. I don't know if I can. Sure. Okay, good. So let's look at these different box plots and see which ones start at 32. So this one does not start at 32. That one looks like it does. That one looks like that does. That does not start at 32. So we already eliminated 2 choices, right? Now, let's go to the end and let's see which ones end at 103. This one does. This one does. Okay, good. So now if I look at those 2, it looks like the middle bar is way different. So let's see which one has the median, the middle bar, correct. 77.5, nope. This one is just below 70. 77.5, yep, it looks like it's just about to be 80. So that means that this has the median correct, and that would be the box plot that matches this summary.